Hi guys, this is EI.01. Today we are going to be building a colorful RGB sequence LED flashing, and you can always check out for other videos that I have made out for you on screen now. Links below on the description box. If you're new here, to not miss upcoming videos next week, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. These are all we need. I've already made out a list on the description box below. So with the BC547 transistor, 3 of them, placing them on the breadboard like this. The next is a 100 UF capacitor, and we're going to be placing this positive side of the capacitor to where we have the holes of the collector pin, doing the same to the rest of the transistors. The next, with the breadboard connectors, connecting all the meter pins of the transistors to ground. After that, all your connections should look something like this. Then next, with the breadboard connector again, connecting the negative pin of the first capacitor to the base pin of the middle transistor. And next, the negative side of the second capacitor connected to the base pin of the last transistor, and then the last capacitor connected to the base pin of the first transistor. Then next, with the 22k ohms resistor, connecting it to the negative pin of the capacitor and doing the same to the rest of the capacitors. And then if you're done, your own should look something like this. All are being connected to the negative pin of the capacitors. Then next is the 220 ohms resistor, connecting them in series to the 22k ohms resistors. Then next, to make them have contact with each other, I'm going to be using the jumper wires to make them have contact with each other. This rail is going to be used for the supply voltage, which is going to be used as positive. And then if you're done, your own should look something like this. What I'm doing right now is to make sure the two resistors are having contact with each other. Then next, connect a breadboard connector to the collector pin of the transistor. This is going to be used for the LED, doing the same to the rest of the transistors. So next is this LEDs, and we're going to be connecting this LED positive to the resistors and negative to the collector pins wires. Okay guys, this is how it looks. So we are going to be powering this to see how it works. So let's power this with a 3.7 volt battery. So now bringing in the positive wire, and boom and boom, and what's wrong? Come on, what's wrong with the circuit? Guys, do you know what's actually happening? Because the 3 transistors here are bad. So what we have to do is we have to change these 3 transistors. That is why the circuit or the LEDs are not lighting up. So what we have to do, we have to change these 3 transistors. So we're going to be placing them with these 3 new transistors. So when I've applied the voltage, we see the LEDs flashing in sequence, but some of the LEDs weren't bright, so I had to change some of the resistors and also change the LEDs. So we're going to be replacing those resistors with 100 ohms resistor. For us to have a bright LEDs, so we need to change this resistor to 100 ohms. So this is a 100 ohms resistor, placing it the same way we did. Now the red LEDs are now brighter than before. Guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button to avoid missing upcoming videos next week. Guys, you know one thing about this circuit is that you can add more transistors to it.